Good morning. So I took out the pulsation fuel damper valve that goes on the fuel rail in between. Some people don't use this. It opens up. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have a ton of pearls. I gotta clean that whole fuel system in that car because of a bad fuel pump. I guess it circulated. I ordered injectors, a fuel rail, and this, but I took out the screw. I cleaned it inside. I This was full of metal, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back here where it goes because usually they want to sell it as one piece. And as soon as I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I install it and drain out some more fuel and make sure that the fuel is coming out clean.